Now, when working with GitHub Copilot, in most cases, starting a new line or starting to type some code gets you there and gives you a suggestion that makes sense. But you also sometimes start working on a feature where there might be so little context or that's so specific that GitHub Copilot just can't give you good suggestions, and good variable or function naming alone isn't enough. And to show you an example, I'll add a new footer component, a new footer.jsx file in this components folder. And here I want to build a website building block that in the end just shows a copyright and my name at the bottom of the page, let's say. Now for that I can start typing some code and export a function named footer. And if I do that, I will get some suggestions here, but the suggestions I am getting here are actually not good enough. And here for me it actually even stopped giving me suggestions. And in such cases, it can be a good strategy to write a comment, almost like a prompt where you describe what you want to achieve, or which kind of code should come after the comment. For example, here I could say an exported footer component that displays my name, Maximilian Schwarzmuller, and the copyright sign. So with that, I'm writing a comment that describes which kind of thing, which kind of code I want to have after this comment. Now here, GitHub Copilot then actually starts by suggesting another comment, which I can accept. But then if I start typing export default function, I get a suggestion that indeed gives me the code I wanted. It gives me a footer component, my name and the copyright sign. And here I'll just switch the order and update the year. But with that, I got some code suggested by GitHub Copilot because I wrote this comment. And that's therefore another very useful trick. If you can't get GitHub Copilot to suggest you the code you want, you can write a prompt-like comment, and often that will do the trick. And with that, I could now use this footer component here at the end of this code in my app component like this. And for this to work, I also need to add this import here at the top of the app.jsx file. And with all that, if I save that, I got this footer here. But of course, now there still are some styling problems in this app. These buttons and the footer, for example, don't look that great. And that's another area where GitHub Copilot can help us.